Hey everybody, it's Matt and welcome to Let Me Share a Thought with You. Good Monday morning. Hope everybody had a happy Easter. What I did today is I went through over the weekend and looked at all the numbers from last week and all the states that we're doing. Also, I added Michigan today, so we got another state. I do all these in alphabetical order, so if you don't want to sit through everybody else's state, you can fast forward to your state. And also, another thing that I've said a lot, but I'm going to continue to say, as we keep adding new viewers, is that, I'll do my picks, and, if you want to use them, you're more than welcome to. You can also, use the chart to make your own picks and use those as well. I try to get as close or hit the numbers as best I can. I know we had, a few states like North Carolina hit the pick 4 a couple times last week. South Carolina hit the pick 4. Missouri and Indiana, I believe, was pick 3s. And some of the other states didn't hit it all. So, that's why today I'm doing the weekly numbers, but I'm putting the charts up here for the week too, so that if you guys, don't feel comfortable using my numbers and you want to pick your own, then, you can absolutely do that. But the main thing is the process, using the chart. And what I did is I looked at which day of the week works best for the entire week as far as predicting the numbers. So like for instance, California, the Monday daytime drawing, which is just so happens is the same chart we would use for today, works out to be the best chart for the numbers for the week. So we're going to start there, and a lot of the states were Sunday evenings were the better charts. So all that being said, sorry it's taking a little long to get into the video this morning, but wanted to say those couple things to you. So California, the Monday daytime, like Sunday evening number was 223. So went through the date 328. We're looking at the ones. 3 plus 28 is 31. You leave off the tens place and you just use that 1. So we're circling ones. And then for the weekly numbers on pick 3, I like 864, 151, 654, 921, and 547. On the pick 4s, I like 4564, 5487, 8520, 6920, and 1630. Okay, so those are my numbers, and these numbers are good for the entire week. I will be doing the daily workout videos as well, but for today I want to just do a weekly chart because that seemed to work out pretty good last week in several places. So if you play these throughout the week, like for instance, California does 14 draws a week, so if you played 5 numbers, 50 cents each, that works out to be $35 for the entire week. But if you hit one of them in any order that you play 50 cents for, it's worth anywhere from $100 to $400. So, it's not as exciting doing it this way as it is doing it every single day, but this seems to be a little bit more accurate. So we're going to try this week, and I'll be tracking this and letting everybody know how it goes. So, all right, good luck, California. Moving on to Florida. Florida's best weekly number or date is the Sunday evening. So I did the workout for Sunday evening. Sunday daytime number was 450. The 327 was the date Sunday, so we used the zeros. And then the numbers I like for the week, pick 3, 074, 291, 543, 363, and 476. On the pick 4, I like 8693, 2129, 1095, 6477, and 1988. So those are my weeklies for Florida. Good luck, Florida. Georgia. Georgia was also a Monday daytime best draw for the week predictions. So Monday 328, we're looking at the ones on this one. I like 925, 821, 631, 226, 364. On the pick 4, I like 9209, 5218, 3414, 7604, and 2189. Now, if you guys use these charts, just understand that these charts are intended for numbers to be picked to be played throughout the whole week. So it's not just for today. This is for the entire week that you can play these numbers, and hopefully they'll hit, throw off and on throughout the week. So, all right, good luck, Georgia. Moving along to Illinois. Illinois was also a Sunday evening draw prediction for the week. Looking at zeros, we got 5 of them on this particular chart because it was double zeros on the number that was picked on Sunday, Sunday daytime. So I like 263, 281, 597, 163, and 187. On the pick 4s, I like 3629, 1623, 4295, 6230, 8128. So good luck, Illinois. And also too, if you I keep mentioning things on every other state, but if you take a screenshot of this or do your own chart that matches this, as you go through and do your daily charts, if you see some of these numbers that are on this chart come up on your daily chart, that's an even better indicator. That's a cross-reference, as I've said before, to play those particular numbers, because when they're on the daily chart as well as your weekly chart, you've got a lot better chance of hitting. So, all right, good luck, Illinois. And if you guys have comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section, and I try to respond to comments as quickly as I can. All right, Indiana. Indiana was also a Sunday evening pick. So Sunday daytime was 253. Looking at the zeros, we got 317, 818, 847, 323, and 870. You'll find all those on the charts connected to the circled numbers here. And then also on pick 4, 4097, 5212, 9265, 4918, and 9187. So good luck, Indiana. Now this took me forever to go through and do all these numbers, but hopefully it'll pay off, and hopefully you guys will win some money this week. And be sure to leave me a comment and let me know when you do. I know Team Susanna last week hit one of the pick 4s here in North Carolina. I know a lot of people didn't play the numbers, and they came out in North and South Carolina. North Carolina actually had one exact, which would have been big money if someone had played that one. So Kansas does not do a pick 4, so same deal. For weekly numbers, the Sunday evening chart worked out the best. Got the zeros circled. For Kansas for the week, I like 763, 817, 315, 865, and 891. So good luck, Kansas. Michigan, the new state. Sunday evening worked out to be the best for Michigan as well. So we got the zeros circled on the chart here. And then we've got 218, 928, 357, 764, and 363. Those are my picks for Michigan for the week. Pick 3. Pick 4, I like 9502, 5437, 5306, 8747, and 2918. So again, these are weekly numbers. You can play these all week long. And a lot of times too, you'll see the same number come out, in the same week in some of these states. So if the number does hit, doesn't necessarily mean you need to take the number off. If it hits in the exact order, though, I wouldn't continue to play it in the exact order. I'd switch the order up. Like if 218 fell, I'd play maybe 182 the rest of the week if you're going to continue to play that number. Or you can pull that number off and pick another number from the chart and add it to your 5. I did 5 for most every state on both 3 and 4. So, all right, good luck, Michigan. Missouri. Missouri was also a Sunday evening. Daytime Sunday number was 139. Got the zeros circled. I like 763, 291, 581, 741, and 218. A lot of ones on this one. 1s, 2s, and 8s there. Pick 4, I like the 5218, 7463, 2219, 8130, and 0677. So good luck, Missouri. All right, North Carolina. I actually added a 6th number on the pick 4 in North Carolina because that 3364 was just screaming at me right here. So I added that one after I went through and looked at the rest of these numbers. So pick 3 for the week. I like 189, 581, 054, 336, and 267. And then pick 4, I like 9177, 3546, 5297, 0664, and 1597, as well as the 3364 that I mentioned. So, again, if you see some other numbers that you like better than the ones I picked, by all means, play them. But this is intended, to be played for the entire week. So, somewhere along the week, out of the 14 drawings that are coming up, hopefully a couple of these numbers will hit again this week. So good luck in North Carolina. All right, New Jersey. This has been one of the tougher states, but again, a lot of these, like North and South Carolina, I hit, a total of 3 times on the pick 4 last week. And I attribute a lot of that to the fact that I play North and South Carolina myself, and I've been playing them for a while. A lot of these states that I'm doing the workouts for, I've only been, looking at for just a few weeks. So as the patterns progress, I'll get better at picking these numbers. So hang in there, and I don't have any reservations about you picking your own numbers, off of the chart. Because most every state hits at least 10 out of the 14 numbers off of this chart every week. So maybe the numbers I pick may not, but this chart is money, so use it. All right, so pick 3 in New Jersey. I like 594, 336, 362, 257, and 741. On the pick 4, I like 2639, 5649, 5037, 1227, and 9407. So, and that was off of the Sunday evening chart for New Jersey. 881 came out Sunday daytime, and that's the number that I used to make this. So, all right, good luck, New Jersey. Moving on to Pennsylvania. Again, this was a Sunday evening. It's there's a common theme here if you haven't noticed. Most every state was Sunday evening, and a couple of them were Monday daytimes. But those 2 charts, either Monday daytime or Sunday evening, have been pretty solid for the whole week. So on the pick 3, I like 597, 362, 357, 121, and 218. On the pick 4, I like 8299, 3707, 8673, 2480, and 8306. Now, if you notice, like on the 8673, this is one more tidbit of information I'm adding today. The way that I pick the order on these, like in 8673, I like the corner to corner. So like bottom corner, top corner, bottom corner, kind of in an X pattern. And that pattern, along with, going around the number or using like 8299, let's see, where was that one at? Right here, 8299, same thing. 3707, that was actually a combination that goes all the way across the chart here. 2480, I was trying to find one of the other ones that I did differently. So 2480 is kind of what I was looking for. Never mind, 8306, let's look at that one. You got the 8306 here. I like that pattern as well, where you do the middle numbers, 83 and then 06. If it's the other side, like if it's 3879, I do the exact opposite. I go right, left, top, bottom, instead of left, right, bottom, top. So, and that, I've just seen that pattern over and over and over again in all the states that I've been working on. So, all right, good luck, Pennsylvania. And hopefully I'm not confusing anybody. I'm just, trying to share a couple of bits of information with you. If you're not familiar with the 317, the chart, there's a link at the end of the video, a little card, the how to play and win the pick 3 part 2 picking the numbers video that explains how to do the chart. All right, so South Carolina, Sunday evening again, The Saturday evening number was 072. South Carolina does not do a Sunday daytime drawing, so that's the number that you have to use to get the Sunday evening drawing. So looking at zeros again, I like 213, 527, 762, 860, and 713. And you can see those all over the chart. And then on pick 4, I like the 1522, which is a little cross pattern right here. 4657 is all down. 4657, 3019, 3609, and 9137. So good luck, South Carolina. And finally, we have Texas. Now, Texas was by far the most challenging of all of the ones that I did. And the reason being is that Texas does 4 draws a day and they don't do any draws on Sunday. So I went through, you know, for the last month, I did every single day, every single draw, and figured out which days and nights were, you know, better to pick the numbers for the week. Saturday night in Texas, the final drawing on Saturday is the most accurate for picking weekly numbers I've found over the last month. And these things change, so I'll keep an eye on it as time goes on. But so what I did is I did the Saturday night chart, which Saturday evening was 656, and then the date 326 is why I used the 9s. So pick 3, I like 987, 323, 266, 587, and 032. On the pick 4s, I like 2875, 5322, 2347, 5790, and 8824. So, and then Texas, I'm working on too, giving you an idea of which days and draws are the better odds of winning, because obviously there's 24 draws in a week, and if you play, you know, $12 a day, basically playing 50-cent picks, you know, that works out to about $60 for the week, you know, on either one of these. So, you know, pick 4, you'll be worth $100 at minimum, but the pick 3 would only be worth $40 at a minimum if you're playing 50-cent plays. So, you know, I want to make sure that it makes good number sense how you're playing and when you're playing. You know, I know for certain that like Tuesdays were terrible on the charts, but you know, Monday and Wednesday were actually pretty good. So I'm going to put all that together for you in one of the upcoming videos this week and try to clue you in a little bit more on that. So, all right, well, hopefully these weekly numbers have helped everybody. You know, I would recommend, you know, either doing this chart yourself or taking a screenshot of the chart that I put on each of your states. So that when you do your daily workouts as well, you can see if those daily numbers that you're picking are on this chart as well. If they're on both charts, that's a pretty good double indicator that you might be right. So, all right, well, everybody have a good week. I hope everybody wins a bunch of money, and if you do, be sure to leave me a comment. Let me know that you won, or let me know if you missed it. You know, I love to hear from everybody. I like to know that, you know, the work that I'm putting into this is actually helping people. So anyway, have a good rest of your Monday, and we will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.